Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will discuss rule of law. According to Oxford English Dictionary, rule of law is the fundamental principle whereby all members of society, including those in the government, those who are making laws, are equally subject to the publicly disclosed legal codes or process. Here, all are subject to law. There is no discrimination between lawmakers and the ruled citizen. It attempts to protect the right of citizen from arbitrary and abusive use of government power. This is also called mobocracy. It is closely related to constitutionalism. It's opposite to autocratic or tyranny or oligarchy. Now let's see the fundamental aspect of rule of law of dicey. Dicey expounded this concept for the first time in his book The Law and the Constitution, which was published in 1885. Dicey's principle of rule of law consists of three concepts. First one is absence of arbitrary power, that is also called supremacy of law. To explain the first concept, A.V. Dicey stated that rule of law means the absolute supremacy or predominance of regular law, which is opposite to influence of arbitrariness or discretionary power. The rule of law requires that the government should be subject to law. Law is not subject to the government. According to this concept, no man can be arrested, punished, or made suffer in body or in goods except by due process of law or for the breach of law. Okay. And the second principle, second concept of rule of law explained by A.V. Dicey is equality before law. According to A.V. Dicey, all are subject to equal law. Lawmakers and general citizen are subject to similar law. He criticized the legal system of France, that is, droit administrative system in France. In droit administrative system, citizen and official are not tried in the same court, unlike England. In common law legal system of England, all are tried, all are subject to same law, all are subject to equal law, and all are tried by the same court. There is no distinct court like France. And the third concept of rule of law provided by A.V. Dicey is judge-made constitution. According to A.V. Dicey, citizen rights like right to personal liberty, freedom from arrest, freedom to hold public meetings, etc. are largely protected by the judge-made law, not by the written constitution. This right would be secured more adequately if they are enforceable in the court of law than mere declaration of those rights in the document or a constitution. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.